Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose. This is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a butterfly. The entry to the butterfly feels like a Hatchflick and a little bit like a Yoyo as well. So knowing those moves would be helpful, but you could get by without today. The end is an accordion, so if you know an accordion that's helpful too, but again you can get by without. So the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So let's break it down. Starts off man's right, lady's right, semicircle and back. Guys turn in so we can offer the lady that left hand behind the back. As we step forwards we go right hand across the chest just like a yo-yo. So we're squaring up, we're side by side, shaking hands grip behind the back. We twist the lady out as we would in a normal yo-yo but with a hand extra. And guys, what we're going to do is going to set ourselves up to side step to the right. As we do that, we're going to bring the right hand to the right shoulder. We're going to use the left hand pulling down to the left to lead the lady over to the left. We're going to take the right hand up, little step forwards or even just a change of weight forwards to start the lady walking. And then we pull with the left to start lady turning towards us. The right goes over the lady's head, the left goes over the lady's head. You drop the right and look, so there's your accordion position. And now it's just return, lower the hands and back, and you're ready for any kind of cross-handed move, or if you let go with the left, a right-handed move. So let's think numbers. We go semicircle back and offer 1, across the chest, 2, twisting out, 3, side step to the shoulder, 4, start the walk, 5, into the turn, 6, facing 7, returning 8, and back 1. So let's do it. The butterfly. 5, 6, the butterfly. We go offer, in, twist, shoulder, walk, turn, look, return, and back. And that is that, the butterfly. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell that we all know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.